Hi, today we are going to discuss on how to configure this Ewon Cosy 131. So here, this is the actual view of your Ewon Cosy 131. So first thing to do is to connect your LAN cable to your PC or your laptop. So once you're already connected, you need to open Ebuddy software. So Ebuddy software can be downloaded online. So all you have to do is to search it in online. I will show you how. You just need to type in Ebuddy software. So you just wait. And just now I connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, type Ebuddy. So here, just click this. You want technical support or downloads. Okay, here. So as you can see, it shows all the software that Ewon have. So we need only two software, which is the Ebuddy, this one, and eCatcher. You just download this, and once download, you need to install it. So I will not show you how to install since it's very easy. So once you already installed this one, then open. So here, as you can see, he already seen one Ewon. If I disconnect this, then I will refresh, then no one will be here. Okay, so once I connected this, then this one will appear. So after that, you need to open it in a browser. You just right click and then open in browser, or you can just click this one and then open browser. Now it will link you to a web. Then all you have to do is to wait. Okay. Now, you're already in the portal of your Ewon. So, it will be asking the username first and your password. So, if your Ewon is new, then the default password or username will be EBM and also ABM. So, that is the default password. So, now we are in the portal. So, what are the first steps to do? So first step is to click the wizard. So it will be in the upper right. So first, you need to click this quick launch wizard. Okay, now first, you can change your Ewon name. So I will name this Ewon. And then this password, do you remember that EDM? You can change this. So the ADM password will be changed into whatever you like. So click next. So this one, you can just click update clock via NTP, and the time zone, it's up to your region where you are located. So since I am using GMP UTC, I will be selecting this one. So click next. So this is your Ewon. So do you notice this red lead that is being light? So this means that this is for your WAN connection. you see 1. And the green, that will be your LAN. So for example, you have your PLC, then you can connect here in the green one. And for your internet connection, you need to connect it into the red one. Okay? So let's proceed. Click next. So now we will check if everything is correct. By the way, in assigning the WAN and the LAN, you can select wherever one you will put. So I will just return back. Okay, it's hung. We will just wait. Okay, we'll just return back to system, just for your information that we can also change the one location. So from here, from 4, we can change also to 2. We can also make this both for 1. We can also put number 2 for 1, number 1 for 1. Since 1 we are using, we cannot change this. So for example, I will be changing this into 2. As you can see here, currently it was being used in number 4. So we will change this into here. But first I need to, okay, this is enough. I will change this into number 2. Okay, now as you can see, the one location is changed from port 4 into port number 2. So it's very easy. Now, we have finished configuring the WAN and the LAN location. Now we can go to the next wizard, which is the Internet. So you can click Internet and then initialize configuration. You can check that, and then Internet connection. Just click next. So since we are using DHCP, then we can select DHCP. If you are using static or both TP, then you can select those. So I will click next. And then he asks you to if you have a valid internet connection. Since we do not connect the internet connection in the port number 2 that was being assigned lately, this wizard will not be successful. So we will just try without the internet connection, just for you to see what will happen. So as you can see, he will start diagnosing if you have one connection and also if you have internet connection. Now the current operation is establishing one connection. Since we don't have one, of course, this will not be continued. Okay, you see, it's not done since we don't have one connected on your one port. So we just click finish. I will just return back to the first. Next. Sorry, I clicked the status. Let's go back to wizard. Sorry. So this password that I've been typing, this is the password that you remember the first window that we opened, the ADM password. We will change this into the new one. Just click next, just click next. Okay, the port we already assigned, this one previously assigned in 4. So we will be putting it in 4 again. See, now it's connected in number 2. It was been assigned in number 2, port number 2. We will change this back to number 4. Okay, click next. Now we will start changing the settings. Okay, now as you can see on your Ewon, it was put back in number 4. So that will be our internet connection. So next wizard. So the next wizard will be your internet. This one. Since we are not successful, we will be going to put the internet connection on our 1 port. So which is number 4. We'll put it in the number 4. So this is our internet connection. So this one have internet connection. Okay. Okay. Now click next. Okay. We are using the HCP. Click next. And then click next. Now this one will start checking the WAN connection and your internet connection. You see, it's all success. So you have WAN connected on your WAN port and also you have internet connection. Now let's proceed to next wizard. So the next wizard will be your T2M, so which is talk to M. So in this wizard, we are putting the activation key. Where should we get this key? So we are getting this key on your next software, which is your eCatcher. So remember that I talked to you that you need to download the 2 softwares. So the second software will be your eCatcher. So the first software is the Ebuddy. So the Ebuddy, this is the responsibility of this is to open in browser, in which we can set up the talk to M. So this is the most important one. You cannot configure your Ewon online without an account. So all you have to do is to register first before proceeding this. So once you already have, in creating a new account, you just create a free account. You just click this, then it will show like this. So no worries, this is also free. So you can register it for free. So once you already registered, it will ask you to activate. It will send through email and then you need to activate. It's very fast. Maybe 3 minutes you can finish that registration. Okay, let's go back. Since I have already registered, I need only to put my account. Okay, so it failed to connect since I don't have internet connection. So I need to connect to my PC. Okay, and then log in again. So let's just wait. Okay. Okay. Now I have here one Ewon already. I will delete this. I will make blank. Okay. Okay, I don't have any Ewon yet. So we'll create new one, which is the one that we have. So how to add? Just click the add. So the Ewon name should be the same on the one that you are using here. So remember that we will name this as Charlie Ewon. And the Ewon description, it's up to you. Siemens remote. Whenever you want. And then click next. Custom field, you can put here any information. I will just leave it blank and then click create. So this one will appear. So as you can see, this one have activation key. So this is the one that we are going to paste on the Talk to M configuration. So you just copy to clipboard, go back to your browser, and then paste it here. So once you already paste, then click next. Okay. After that, he will ask you if you are connected in proxy. So since I'm not connected in any proxy, then I will click no proxy. Click next. Now we will check if everything is fine. So first you will check the one connection. Okay, so as you can see, everything so far is good. Okay, check. Check. So everything is good. Then we can click finish. So once finished, we are already finished. So let's return back to eCatcher if our Ewon is already online. So how to go back? Just click back to Ewon list, and then you can see your Ewon now is online. So it's very easy step. All you have to do is just secure a good internet connection and follow the procedure that I've been talking about. So now you are already connected. You are now online. You can connect now if you are going to go online, or you are going to proceed to troubleshooting wherever you are. So if I remove this, let's see, the internet, this is your internet. I will refresh. Okay, let's see if I can connect. So of course I cannot connect because we are now offline. You see, because I removed our internet connection. Okay, so we cannot connect. I will just cancel this. So I will put it back. Now again we are back online. So whenever I connect, it should be connected. Okay, now we are connected. So it's very easy. Once we disconnect, it will prompt you what did you do. For example, you are programming or changing the program of your PLC or whatever, change something like that, then you can. So finish. We are finished.